In the meantime, the 38 Filipino crew members and customer service staff of the cruise ship MV Hondios are allegedly negative or uncontaminated of the deadly virus that had claimed 3 cruise passengers last month. Sustained monitoring and a solid assurance of healthcare assistance have been assured to the 38 Hondios cruise staff, leading to the eventual rescue and repatriation this Monday when the ship drops anchor in the Canary Islands. Our Gab Humilde fills us in with more.
The government has assured support for the 38 Filipino crew members aboard the cruise ship MV Hondios, where there's an outbreak of hantavirus. According to Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Cacdac, the department is coordinating with the families of the crew members. This comes after President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ordered him and Health Secretary Ted Herbosa to closely monitor their situation. Secretary Herbosa is also coordinating with his Spanish counterpart and the World Health Organization to monitor their condition. Meanwhile, the manning agency and the ship owner have assured the department the Filipino crew members remain safe from the threat of hantavirus. Medical protocols are also being implemented inside the cruise ship, and a medical clearance is required to disembark and return to the country.
And rest assured, there will be proper medical protocols. Yeah, let's put it that way. They will just have to go through the proper medical clearances and protocols before they can safely return home. So yun muna siguro ang antabayanan natin. We are also reaching out to the families of the 38 and assure them of governmental support. Yun naman din ang pinag-utos ng ating Pangulo.
According to reports, 2 crew members and 1 passenger who had contact with an infected individual was already evacuated. An estimated 150 passengers from 23 countries are aboard the MV Hondios. According to Spain's Interior Ministry, the evacuation of passengers will begin this Monday once the ship docks in Tenerife in the Canary Islands. Upon arrival there, non-Spanish citizens aboard the cruise ship will be repatriated to their respective countries. 2 Dutch nationals and 1 German national have already died due to hantavirus. The disease usually spreads through rodents, specifically through their urine, droppings, or saliva. Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.